Jai Srimanarayana. 12th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yuktaha karma phalam tyaktva shantim apnoti नैष्ठिकीम् अयुक्तः कामकारेण फले सक्तो निबध्यते। Om. Utilize all your actions for the purpose of self-purification. That brings you everlasting peace. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Sriman Narayana, I shall utilize all my actions for the purpose of my self-purification. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu." Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Yayati gave his kingdom to his youngest son, kept all other sons under him, and then he gave up all the pleasures. Though he enjoyed for several years, he gave up all those pleasures within no time. As and how kshanena mumuche needam jata paksha ivadvijaha, as and how a bird gets its wings, immediately leaves the nest and flies into sky. Just like that, Yayati gave up all the pleasures and he engaged his mind on Sakshat Parabrahma. Pare Male Brahmani Vasudeve Lebhe Gatim Bhagavatim Pratitaha." He engaged his mind on Sriman Narayana, Sri Mahavishnu, Sri Hari Vasudeva. With that, he got relieved from all kind of bondages and he attained Sri Mahavishnu Parshada position in Paramatma's divine abode. Like that Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 12th sloka. Yukta karma phalam tyaktva shantimapnoti naishtikim. Ayukta kamakarena phale sakto nibadhyate. Yukta karma phalam tyaktva shantimapnoti naishtikim. Ayukta kamakarena phale sakto nibadhyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.